permanent alam nga We're here at we are looking some glasses. Dito ito ano isang rich Kylie Jenner.
Abo Purilita. Pinasik. Blur dito eh.
Hi. We're going to buy something. Kasi nagbayad with dito, diba? Budbudunan na. Hi. I'm here again with my friend. Del. Achet.
Yes! Yeah. I'm gonna ask some rich tita, but I don't have any money.
Yeah, we are certified with that. Pero
Kasi ka pangayaan mo.
anting kami pababeket slow na bumatang gamit. Ana? Ana? Ching chong?
Ayaw mo doon mo ba siya?
Ganyan kaya't ko dito, di na naman ak.
Saka sumapod po ito. Kaya't nainas.
What is the best? Best quality and best price.
Hello everyone, so I finally got home and to I haul. Finally I got my lamp right now. So I will go to do an unboxing for you guys. So I just got home kasi kagaling ko lang sa school. Nagbayad lang ako ng tuition fee and then exam ako for today. So ayun. Finally I got my lamp now. This is the lamp that I got. Actually, this is my dream lamp. One of my dream lamp to. I saw this on Pinterest, also on Instagram, and also most of my I follow on Instagram have this lamp. So ang ganda ng lamp and it's perfect for my desk. So Actually, kakadating ko lang. Actually, kakadating rin din ng package na to. And I'm very excited to share with you guys this lamp over here. So, ayun, I will going to unbox this. This is my lamp, guys. This one is very pretty. Ang laki niya pala. Ayun. Ano siya? You're going to open the lamp like here. Ganun siya. There are 3 types of intensity of the color, like ganun. May warm, ganun din siya. Battery operated siya actually. Ayun. I will go to clean my desk.
Exploring the journey of a man. But I want to focus on his character arc. How he changes, how he grows, sometimes progresses throughout the journey. As the journey continues,
Kay Ate Dayan, panan tayo. Let's go to Mamaklay! Bigan!
wait.
Ate kayo, Pai.
Laki pa nag-aabak.
When?
Amok na nakadadong tayo biganin.
We here at Bigan! Maklay! Hi! Isa ka ng tourist ngayon?
Na?
Isa ka ng tourist ngayon? Ay! Gayon? Bayag da. Amoy na kami, bayag kayo. Ito daw Maria Clara at Ibarra. This was so beautiful. Di mo nag-CR. Kas lang ano interior na ayan. Kas lang Europe vibe. Ayan. Magtapat ka. Sino yun? Sino yun? Let McDonald's day, ah? Di ba ate? Say hi. Hi. Again. Mag-vlog ako pa. Hi. This one din. Ah? Look up mo. Nag-social dito eh. Dito very. Can you feel? Oh my God. Parang Euro. Ha? Nagtindas dito eh. Papa na. Allah, order mami. Pusik. Drinks to na. Yung manaday, dalang ka na pa na kinita. Di na magkunganon kita klag, order ko na.
Ano mga natutubra tayo?
We here. Hello, madam. Ate, kung kuna na pa. First meet. Second meet ni Ayang.
Mayan ate.
Kaya mo sunscreen?
At least ka nga umadayon. At least ka nga umadayon. Pakatuluyan na. Barkada.
Alam mo din.
Lalap ni daddy dito. Tangala na.
Ha? Ang pangalan? Ala, dito eh. Damagit man. Here's our food. First snack. Guys! Fish! Wow! Adan siya eh.
Sabi nagalis to.
Di ano? Di nagkakadbakan kita. In order na. Nakakado ate. Napuno din ang isaan. Nakakado. Tagtado kang ibi. Bakit lang ka first one? Ate. Hello, Maklay! Nag-sexy ka! In Manila.
In this night of starry sky,
and never and ever and never forever. Kakadwa ka manin anang arot ko ma.
Kung umakambiti ko pa na sa kumesan.
Kadok man ito yung ano, subak na nga friends ko. Well, di balay lang. Di balay. Favorite mo pa? Alakit ko dito eh.
Nag-iwas na ito?
I will going to get this one.